It's not every day that a vehicle comes along and completely rewrites what we think is possible in compact mobility and camping design. But the 2025 Mitsubishi Camper Tricycle is exactly that kind of innovation. A unique blend of practicality, eco-friendliness, and quirky charm, this three-wheeled marvel proves that small really can be mighty and downright genius. At first glance, the Camper Trike looks like something from the near future. With its sleek, aerodynamic body and LED lighting that runs along the edges, it's hard to believe this is technically a camper. But open the rear hatch and the cleverness reveals itself. This is more than just a tricycle with a roof, it's a fully functional micro-camper designed for solo travelers or ultra-minimalist adventurers. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame and powered by Mitsubishi's latest electric drivetrain, the tricycle offers a range of up to 120 miles on a full charge. That might not sound like much by traditional RV standards, but in the world of compact urban exploration, it's more than enough. The vehicle can be charged at standard EV stations, and with optional solar panels integrated into the roof, even off-grid travel is on the table. The driving experience is smooth and surprisingly responsive. Mitsubishi has equipped the Trike with a low center of gravity, regenerative braking, and an intuitive digital interface. There's even a small display inside the handlebars that offers navigation, range estimates, and diagnostics. The cabin is weatherproof and insulated, allowing for comfortable driving in a variety of conditions. But it's what's inside that truly sets the Camper Trike apart. The interior has been optimized down to the millimeter. A single fold-out bed takes up most of the rear section, but it can be converted into a small desk or lounge area during the day. There's storage tucked beneath the floor, behind the side panels, and even within the walls. Every inch is used wisely. Above the bed, a retractable skylight lets in natural light, or opens up completely for stargazing at night. There's a compact kitchenette module that includes a single-burner induction stove, a sink with a 5-liter water tank, and a mini fridge that runs off the main battery. Next to it, a collapsible table slides out, giving you a tiny but usable dining area. Ventilation is handled by a pair of silent, solar-powered fans, and interior lighting is full LED with adjustable warmth. There's also a small but functional toilet module, cleverly concealed beneath a folding seat. It's not luxury, but it's far more than you'd expect from a vehicle that's technically smaller than most golf carts. Mitsubishi says they designed the Camper Trike with urban nomads and digital freelancers in mind. It's compact enough to park in a regular motorcycle space, yet versatile enough for weekend escapes to nature. It meets all local safety standards and even has limited self-driving features for low-speed navigation in traffic. The real genius, though, is in how it makes mobility sustainable and accessible. At a projected price point below $15,000, this is one of the most affordable ways to hit the road with everything you need, and nothing you don't. Maintenance costs are minimal, insurance is cheap, and the zero-emission drivetrain means you're traveling without a carbon footprint. Sure, it's not for everyone. There's no room for families, and off-road capabilities are limited. But for solo travelers, students, urban dwellers, and adventure minimalists, the 2025 Mitsubishi Camper Trike is a revelation. A tiny house on 3 wheels, ready to take you anywhere. Whether you call it brilliant, crazy, or just plain fun, one thing's for sure, the Camper Trike represents a bold new direction in both camping and commuting. In a world of oversized SUVs and gas-guzzling motorhomes, Mitsubishi dared to go small, and in doing so, they might have just gone big.